The revised International Maritime Organization strategy has the ambition to reach net zero greenhouse gases emissions from international shipping by 2050. It proposes the commitment to ensure an uptake of alternative zero and near zero greenhouse gases fuels by 2030, with checkpoints referring to a constant reduction of carbon intensity by 2040. Moreover, in 2024, European Union has included shipping in the European Emissions Trading System. In these initiatives, the hydrogen is proposed as a fuel for ships, seen as an alternative to conventional fossil fuels. However, a harmonized international regulatory framework for the use of hydrogen on board of ships is not available yet. The e-SHyIPS project defines new guidelines for the integration of hydrogen in maritime passenger transport sector. Coordinated by Politecnico di Milano, it covers the main aspects of the implementation of fuel cells and hydrogen technologies on board of ships, involving industry leaders, research institutions, standardization bodies, and ship operators. The real case studies play an important role in the project. The Fior di Levante ferry, managed by the Greek operator Levante Ferries, is a vessel with roll-on, roll-off features for the carriage of commercial vehicles and private cars. It allows to accommodate a large number of passengers for shorter routes. For it, a new concept design of a 10-megawatt fuel cell battery hybrid powertrain has been conceived, with liquid hydrogen as storage technology. Then, the Damen 2907 E3 hybrid water bus is a small ferry providing daily water-based public transport service along the inland paths of the city of Rotterdam in the Netherlands. The vessel underwent a hydrogen-oriented conceptual redesign by replacing the diesel genset with a fuel cell propulsion system and using compressed gaseous hydrogen as storage technology. Many studies have been carried out. Hydrostatic and hydrodynamic analysis of vessels, conducted through cutting-edge simulation tools and high-performance computing, probed design options for the future conversion of vessels on hydrogen-based propulsion systems. Then, computational fluid dynamics to perform gas dispersion analysis for the handling of emergency hydrogen discharge events provided insights on the decrease of the amount of the flammable substance on board in case of fires. Moreover, simulations of on-board explosions estimated the impact of potential hydrogen leaks events, as well as of explosion events according to different ventilation conditions and rooms layout and locations. In addition, inclination tests on fuel cell stacks, material testing of components, post-mortem analysis, and salt spray testing on fuel cells have been performed. Then, bunkering strategies for vessels with hydrogen stored in different forms have been developed. Moreover, risk assessment analyses evaluated risks on people, environment, and the vessel, and paved the way towards safe design concepts. Then, a gap assessment analysis of the IGF code, the International Code of Safety for Ships Using Gases or Other Low Flashpoint Fuels, defined a preliminary set of recommendations for the use of hydrogen as a fuel. Finally, a CEN workshop agreement, a reference document from the European Committee for Standardization, has been developed. It provides a set of design and installation recommendations for the arrangement of hydrogen systems on board of passenger ships. A milestone towards the definition of new standards on hydrogen in this sector. The e-SHyIPS project results are meant to be vessel independent and encompass the entire maritime transport of passenger ships. They have laid the foundation for filling knowledge gaps and carrying the maritime sector towards a sustainable scenario on the wave of hydrogen.